How's it going, everyone? My name's Laurel, and I'm a program leader at the Cobb County Water System. Today, I'm going to share a project with you that I love to do with my kids. And especially since we're home right now, this helps us break up the mundane and have some fun. What we like to do is we love to make soap bubbles. And I'm going to show you how you can make your very own bubble solution with things you have right at home in your kitchen. To make our bubble solution, you'll need 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon liquid dish soap, 1 cup of water, a bowl, a spoon to mix your solution, bubble wands if you have them. You can also use straws to create your own bubble wands at home. A soap bubble is just air wrapped in soap film. Soap film is made from soap and water, just like the solution we're making now. And when you're outside blowing your bubbles, I want you to observe the shape they make. You'll notice that your bubbles are always round and always make a sphere. And that's because a sphere has the least surface tension, making it the best shape for bubbles. Of course, bubbles pop when they land on an object, but have you ever seen a bubble pop when nothing touched it? That's because bubbles also pop when the water in the soap film evaporates. Evaporation is the process which water changes from a liquid to a gas. That's why we added sugar. The sugar in the bubble solution will slow down the process of evaporation. That means we'll have a longer lasting bubble. Hi! And this is Alex, and he's gonna help me show you how we're gonna use our bubble solution to blow some bubbles. Ooh. He wants to take the bubbles outside, so we're gonna go outside and blow our bubbles. Cool. I hope you guys have fun blowing bubbles at home too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alex, say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job.